Namaste, this is Dr. Gayatri Harikumar, Head Department of Commerce from Guru Nanak College. Today we are doing a program called We, the Future of India. All our students from the Department of A&F will take a pledge to vote on 6th April 2021 in the forthcoming assembly elections. And universal adult franchise is the right that is given by the Constitution of India to every citizen. And so all the students will take a pledge to vote on this day, and they will fulfill their duties as citizens of India. Let's go to the students' presentation. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Ajita Chalam and I'm doing my final year in BCom Accounting and Finance in Guru Nanak College. April 6, 2021, it's not just a day. It's a day when we get the power, when we get the strength, when we get the right, when we get the duty to cast our votes. Voting is so important because this is the only day when we get the power to change the future of the country. And I'm so excited because this is my first time casting my vote. So before casting a vote, we should not be biased towards a party or a person. We should make our own analysis, our own research, and think before casting an vote to whom we believe that they would bring changes and improvement to the country. You and me could be just a small drop in the ocean, but our drop still counts. Our vote still counts. So I want everyone who is watching this video to get out of the couch, cast your votes on the April 6th, and also make others, your family members, your relatives, your friends, everybody to cast their votes and be a responsible citizen.
Voting is a privilege given by our government to us to choose the right leaders. Let's be responsible and use that privilege.
Many of the first timers dream about making it big in life, and voting is also one of our big dreams. As a first time voter, I feel the power to change our society. So this is to all the voting debutants. Today, voting is a right, but the journey towards it was never a cakewalk. So understand the struggles and sense your responsibility. So keep smiling under your mask, sanitize hands, and cast your vote. Make sure every vote counts.
Somewhere inside all of us, there's a power to change the world. Let us join together. It's the right time to vote.
Super excited towards my first voting this year. Yes, small dream control for all teenagers, attaining the right to vote and having the right to select their own leaders for the betterment and the development of the country. So we do have the right to vote from now, and we as youngsters always have a better hand in selecting our own leaders and for our betterment and for a more developed country in future. Sure, we people, we youngsters have the right to vote from now, and we will sure select the perfect leader for our country from now on. Yeah.
Hi, I'm Mohandan. As an Indian citizen, I make sure I vote to the right candidate in the upcoming election, and I want each and every Indian citizen to vote to the right candidate and select a good leader. Voting is a fundamental right given by the Constitution of India, and I want everyone to make use of it wisely. Thank you.
Voting is our right. As a first time voter, I am so excited to put a vote for a proper candidate who can make a change in our country. So, like improvement in better hospitalities, better healthcare and childcare and etc. So make sure we put votes, and every vote matters. As we the youngsters, we have the right to make a change in our country. Put a proper vote to a proper candidate who can make a change in our city or our country. So make sure that you put your votes. Every vote matters. Mark your dates, sign it as well, and put your masks and put your votes. Jai Hind.
Every election is determined by the people who show up, and this is my first vote. I am going to experience myself by selecting a good leader. Thank you.
If you want to make a change, be the change. This is the first time that your one decision which will have an impact on the state's future for the next 5 years. So please vote. Even the little drops of water makes a mighty ocean. So every vote matters.
Voting is a precious right of every citizen, and we have moral obligation to ensure the integrity of our voting process. So, on 6th April 2021, go and cast your vote.
As I'm 18 now, this is my first time I'm going to vote, and this is my right to. The voting is a very important way where you can make your voice to heard to the people and to participate in the election process. According to me, the voting should be done by keeping in mind that how the politicians in the past days, how they have contributed, how much they have helped the citizens, and how they have dealt with the people at each and every stages.
Hi guys, I'm pretty much excited to vote and so are you. This is the first time I'm going to vote and I'm very proud to be an Indian to vote for the country. Why should we vote? To make a change. You should vote to make your voice heard. You have the power to choose the candidate who can rule your country. And you are responsible to vote on behalf of the children and future generations. If you vote, you can decide who represents the country. When you vote, you can express your opinion on the issue you are concerned. So, I request each and every person to vote and make our country very proud. Thank you.
I think we have all heard this motto that youth is our future of our nation. We all know the meaning of that too, that our future lies in our sole hands. So let's not waste the power which has been given to us. Let's make sure that we use this power in the right way by casting a vote on 6th April to the worthy person. So let's not make sure any of our votes are getting wasted and we use the power in the right way to get a bright and a shining future. We youth are just not front runners of tomorrow. We are blessing for today.
Personally, I believe that everyone should vote because everyone has their opinion. We have our ability to choose who is in office and reveal the fact that we have a say what goes around on the political vote. Yes, many people will argue, of course it is. So be proud to put an vote, cast your vote with all safety measures and make sure your vote counts and it has a value.
I am an Indian citizen. I vote that I will exercise my valuable right given by the Constitution of India.
Of casting my votes under every possible circumstances and whenever I get the opportunity.
Election of our representative by voting is not only our right,
But also our duty towards the country.
I will make all possible efforts to use my vote and elect a public representative who would meet nation's expectations.
I also vote that I would also encourage other people to vote with awareness.
Jai Hind.
Jai Hind.
Jai Hind.
Jai Hind.
Jai Hind.
Jai Hind. Cast your votes on this April 6th, 2021. Thank you.